It's important for children to get outside and play in nature and be among all the living things. It's a lot different than playing outside on like a metal play structure because you're actually making a connection with like living organisms. It really increases children's empathy and their caring and compassion of living things, and they just become natural stewards of the environment. My own experience, what I've seen with children in nature, they just seem more calm and they're just kinder to each other. And they have a lot more space too, and they just feel free. And there's just so much learning taking place. It takes time for children to develop theories and to run their experiments and to have a hypothesis and test it and have it fail and do it again and again. I think it's important to really advocate for children, for their play. It's their language, that's how they learn. It's just good for them in so many ways, physically, emotionally, and cognitively. When we let children have that uninterrupted, really deep play, that's when deep learning takes place.